Jill, I'm going to let you roll over to the next, which is the titles.
Yeah, titles. So why are they so important to get right? So first, titles are searchable. Find some keywords, trending topics, catchy words that are going to be something that's searchable to find you. Make them simple. Make it easy to understand, not complicated. Very specific, and you can get niche down to get some attention towards those menu items. And catchy. Create curiosity, buzz, and those lean-in topics. Ooh, what does that actually get me?
I love this, and I think titles are something that are important across everything we do. That's how people have the ability to find us. So we want to be findable, like our Denise Millay teaches everybody, our findability queen. She talks about being findable, and I think it's so, so important. Okay, so our next piece of this is banners. Jill, do you want to do this one?
Sure. So banners are where our most important blast will go. And that's in Kajabi terms, which is who we use, is the hello bar.